Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be customizing my wig. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Make sure the bleach is thick when you bleach knots. Put the bleach on the back of the lace first because you don't want the roots to be lightened. Make sure you take your time, don't push into the lace, just spread it on. Push all the hairs going back so you can pluck your wig. Part the hair. Push the rest of the hair going to the side. Pull out the baby hairs. When you're plucking, don't pluck in the same spot because you can create balding.
Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I got myself.
Tell me, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. So you're tryna leave, excuse me, miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. So you're tryna leave.
bond wax stick to lay the wig down flat and get rid of the flyaways. Take your hot comb, flatten the wig out.
Just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this.
Right now I'm creating layers at a 90-degree angle. Then you want to take it straight up and cross check it.
Cause I'm bulletproof.
Listen, wait, me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do?